Hey guys, NCWQ here, and I have you looking at Oregon Live, and we're going to look at some of the earthquakes that happened between yesterday and today. We're going to look at this one here. This one is a 2.1, and it happened today, 2020, at 2:59 a.m. And so we're going to look at get our coordinates for this and go look on Google Earth. And I think I may already have it on here, but we're going to put it in again. So this was where our earthquake occurred. And to me, it looks like normal farming area. So we're going to look around this area. And we're going to go look right here. And we can see this by looking at it. But look over here. This is a wind farm for electric. And I thought, wow. So there's a huge wind farm out here. So we'll look at our next earthquake. The next one we're going to look at, I believe, is here. Yep. And this one is a 2.0, January 21st, 2020. And this is 24 kilometers northeast of Cave City, Arkansas. So we're going to pull up the directions and go look at it. And we'll see what's in this area. And this is Townsend Cemetery over here. So let's see if there's any road views here. Yes, there is. So we'll go over here. Let's see what we can see in this area. Nothing major there. It looks like housing. Wonder what that is. Maybe farming. Okay, and our next earthquake. We move over here into Tennessee, and this one was yesterday. It was a 2.5. This is 10 kilometers west of Sparta, Tennessee, and it was 5 kilometers deep. So we'll put this in our Google Earth. We'll go take a look at this area. And there's a embroidery shop here. I don't know what those are. Maybe this is farming too. Let's see what's on this road here. And this looks like old view here. Cattle causing more earthquakes. And our epicenter is here. I don't know what that is. But this is Hawkins Road. We have an industries there. Let's go see what kind of industries. Curiosity. BB&B Industries. Not sure what kind of industry that is. You have a thrift store over there. So our earthquake was here. It's like housing. Well, we'll move on to the next one. This one was a 2.7, and that was on the 19th. And this one was yesterday. This was a 2.3, and it was 10 kilometers northwest of Pulaski, Virginia. So we're going to look at this one. Very hilly over here. There's a creek here. That's Little Walker Creek. There's a correctional center there. Not very much that I see here other than this is pretty much hills. Let's do a tilt on this. So we can see this is pretty tilted here. Let's see if there's any views. And we'll go down here and take a look. Wow, trees. Beautiful trees. It looks like farming. Oops, why am I going that way? I'm trying to go that way. That's a church, maybe. Alright, you guys. Anyways, just wanted to look at a few earthquakes. I hope y'all are doing well wherever you are in the world, day or night. Y'all be safe. Much love.